In this new video, I am welcoming you back to do more advanced settings to your website. We want to add picture sliding. Now we scroll down the page, click on online store, click on sliders. Click on create new. Upload your sliding picture. Don't forget, you must have your pictures available on your system before, and meanwhile ensure that the pictures are of the same size. If I add a picture now and they are not of the same size, it will not look fine. But I'm just using these pictures for example. These are pictures that cannot they are not of the same size, but I'm just using it for an example. Just because of time, I am opening this. The next thing is to I can decide to add title. Let's say for one category I can say phones. Then the button text I can decide to add buy now. Here you have to put you can copy the category link for phones. Let's right click like this. Let's click on this one like this, then copy the category link and paste here. That is category for phones. Then sorry, that's a mistake. Then click on submit. That is how to add slider. Now what I'm saying here is that the reason why this is not working is because of the link. The link is too long. If I click on it again, you will see that it's telling me the link is, the character are more than 50. That is why you have to use a short domain name. Now let's remove this and put the hash back. I mean, it is not necessary that I put a link on it. I can just leave it as it is, then go back to the home page and click on reload the page, or click on the home page. You can see this picture. This is the picture, and as you can see, this picture is too big and it's too large. If I add another picture now, it will be sliding. Now let me add another one for you to see. That means you must let's assume if you have a picture that you want to use like a banner, the banner size can be 1400 by 600 pixels. 1400 by 600 pixels. If you don't know how to resize picture, you can just make use of online image editor.com. Wait for it to finish loading. We can choose, scroll down the page, select an image and resize it. Now let's assume this is image you want to resize. Just click on the image, open, wait for it to finish uploading. As you can see, this image size is different from what I expect it to be. Now I can decide to crop this image. Let's assume this is the image I want to use. Let me just crop it. I want to use this portion of the image. And cut. Now I have done that. I can now resize 1400, then come back to the aspect ratio and make this one 600. Now apply. The next thing is to download the image by saving it. Click on save, click on save image to local, and you have to save it as a file. Click on where you want it to be downloaded to, download, then you can change the name to slide 1. The same thing that is applicable to other picture that you want to use as a back, as a slider. And that is it. We have saved that. Next thing is to go back to create a new one. If you want to delete the first one, you can delete. You can see I can delete this one, and he has to ask me if I want to delete, and say yes. Then click on create new by selecting, sorry, I have to click on create new. I didn't wait earlier. Create new. If you are using the first template, you don't need to add any other thing than just this. As soon as you are done, just click on submit. You don't need to add any. If you are using the first theme that we are using now, just click on this slide 1, add it, slide 2, add it, slide 3, add it, and so on. Now let's reload this page and see how it looks like now. As you can see, the picture has been resized. It does not disturb the website. It does not look bad. If I want to add the logo, I want to make use change of the logo, I'll have to go to shop settings, go to shop settings, go to order, and change the logo here. This is where to change the logo. Go to order and change the logo, then click on save to save the logo. Thank you very much for using our service. Bye for now.